Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into Investing 101, a beginner's guide to growing your wealth responsibly. Whether you're looking to save for retirement, start a portfolio, or just understand how investing works, this video is for you. Stick around as we cover the basics of investing while keeping everything transparent, ethical, and within YouTube's policies. Let's get started. Investing is the process of using your money to make more money over time. Unlike saving, which keeps your funds secure, investing puts your money to work in areas like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Let's explore some popular investment options suitable for beginners. Stocks are shares of a company that offer potential high returns but come with higher risk. Bonds are a safer, fixed-income investment with lower returns. ETFs and index funds are diversified investments, tracking market performance. Real estate offers long-term appreciation and passive income. Every strategy has its pros and cons. It's essential to understand the risks and set realistic expectations. Starting your investment journey doesn't have to be complicated. Here's how to begin. Define your financial goals, whether it's for retirement, education, or something else. Set a budget for investing and only use money you won't need immediately. Choose a platform like Robinhood, Vanguard, or Fidelity. Start small and diversify your portfolio. Remember, there's no such thing as a guaranteed return or a shortcut to wealth. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making financial decisions. Investing isn't risk-free, but you can manage it effectively with the right strategies. Diversify your investments across different industries and asset classes. Have a long-term mindset and avoid reacting to short-term market fluctuations. Continuously educate yourself about market trends and investment options. This content focuses solely on educational advice to help you invest responsibly. Here are some common pitfalls that beginner investors should avoid. Investing without a clear plan. Chasing trends or hot stocks. Putting all your money into one type of investment. Ignoring fees, taxes, and other costs. Understanding the challenges of investing is just as important as recognizing the benefits. When it comes to investing, always ensure your actions align with legal and ethical standards. Use original resources and only invest in legitimate opportunities. All graphics, animations, and resources used in this video are either my own or properly licensed. And that's a wrap for today's Investing 101 guide. I hope this video helps you take your first step toward financial growth. If you found it valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with a friend ready to start their investment journey. Remember, the key to success is staying informed and consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.